Yo, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. And you should see, we got the Z back. I'll be having like a whole video explaining everything with the Z, but we finna go to Woodward. And you see, I got my personalized plate up in the mail. Got my name, my like all my social names for it. We gotta watch it, cause look how filthy it is. All the bugs. Yeah, nah, we can't be rocking like that. We gotta fix all that. Oh my God, yeah, nah. As you can see, we made it to the car wash. Got her washing the car, you know. Oh, she was so filthy. I'll do a little transition. Much better. Can't see all those bugs. Well, at least on camera, because like they're kind of still there. I gotta get like detailed to get this like really clean, but this will do for now. Oh, what is that? Get down there. And I forgot my towel, so looks like we gotta let it air dry. We ran into Julian with the silver 350 Nismo. That shit is so sick. Like, oh, that is so sick. I want that body kit. I'm doing that body kit. Alright, we made it to a little meet. We ended up not going to Woodward because it was like out of the way, but got a GT500. Fast ass boy. I saw it on the highway, but I didn't get to record it. But with the Shelby plate, got a GLE 63 or no 53. The big body truck, 1LE Camaro. Then we got a Hell Kizzy. I like the design, like the Hellcat on the side. It's like it's so sick. I saw a Lambo that put the bull on the side of his Lambo. That was sick. Low necks. Oh, with the carbon diffuser? Okay. Sick ass Hellcat. Got the and you got the glow up light, but you can't really see because it's bright as hell. Then we got Alex, boosted VQ. Shit is so sick. Oh, the little gap cam. Okay. Look at that turbo. Wait, where's it at? Where's it at? Thirsty. And we got. Is this like a Hellcat swap? Is this Hellcat swap? Or is it just a regular? Is it Demon swap? Little Demon swap? Then we got Trev over, he cooked and shit. Hey, like, look at the paint. Sheesh. With the Meisters. Sick ass. Hardest 86 in Michigan. Oh God. Like, look at the fade. The paint to the carbon. So fucking sick. Little Daily. Got my boy Kyle with the Elantra N. Okay. He just added this lip. It literally completes it. Okay, it flows like all the way around now. And with the headlights. Then we got some fast ass bikes. Like, sheesh. The carbon helmet, bro. Yeah, boy, he got too much money. Wait, bro, nah. Bro, this dude got bands. What, bro? Full carbon with the carbon helmet too. That's so sick. That's so sick. I don't know bikes like that, but that's sick. Got a SLS? Sheesh. With the carbon side splitters? And a carbon wing? Okay. Nah, this is hard. Dang. I love that license plate. 9 like, yo. Dude, he's a cat. Okay, that's a sick plate. With the B-lock? Oi. What? Chunkly Monkly. We got a demon? Yeah. Nothing but fast ass shit. Oh, we up in a big body Benz? Like,
heated and cooling in the front.
dog, with the ambient lighting up in there?
I just didn't get that package I wanted.
Like, this boy clean. Shit. Oh, with the sunroof? Bro, double sunroof is insane. That's crazy.
You can see the ambient lights and everything.
Dog. 100, you would never guess it has 103,000 miles.
For how clean it is?
Like, inside and out. Like, literally, like, look at the paint, y'all. It's literally, it's like immaculate. I swear I thought this had like 30K. Jeez, twin turbo V8?
This is the most annoying fucking thing in my fucking life.
Oh, it doesn't click.
Got this white Evo 10? God. Oh my God. Jesus, with all the carbon, bro. Bro. Got all the carbon. Like, literally everything is carbon. Oh, look. I don't know if that's a Hellcat, or SRT, but oh, dude, this is so sick. I fuck with this so heavy. Here we got a Trailblazer on the tire. Jeez. Oh, we got the Hot Wheels car? What the hell? I don't know what this is called. Oh, I guess a Plymouth. With the fuzzy dice. It's like a Hot Wheels car.
I forgot what it's called.
I don't know. That's what I was saying. I was like, I don't know what it's called.
I forgot.
Yeah. That's cool though. Like, you can see all the suspension. That's sick. Sheesh. God, that cam going crazy. The underground too. God damn. Shit. Sheesh. The bike's leaving. They out. And we got big old tire on this Hellcat. God. Bro, what the smell is? The carbon diffuser too? The carbon, okay. Bro, yeah, no, this dude's for sure not stock. Definitely not stock. Every day, low key, I be wanting a Hellcat. Like, that's so sick. Another SOS pulled up. Sheesh. Literally stock, and the other one is like fully modded. These are not, like, with the red guts too. GT sexy, bro. Okay, no, that's a sick ass plate. Sheesh. Yo, the carbon blur. Okay, nah, that's fucking hard. That is so sick when you see through it. God damn. Yeah, nah, niggas just got bread here, bro. Everybody's recording. Alec, you gotta do it. You gotta do it. Like, look at him. Called the cops. What? I know I was right. Dude, I could tell from the way it was crossing arms.
Hit it with the stitches, get stitches.
Bro, snitches do get fucking stitches, bro. Like, but they're not gonna do shit. Yeah. Bro, he was like, they do the Bruno. Like, bro, what the fuck? Actual like losers. They literally have nothing. They literally have nothing else going on, so they're calling the fucking cops. And no, and
Should I rip one right now? No, I'm just
actual losers, bro. Fucking losers. Look at them.
Look at the guy on the right.
Like, look at the guy on the right. Like, he's definitely a fucking virgin. Gets no pussy.